Aaron Moran has been tracking those storms. And Aaron, thankfully we didn't see any tornadoes here in North Dallas and North Texas, but needless to say, we're ready for the storms to end, right?
I know. I keep having everyone ask, when does the summer pattern hit?
Yeah.
But then I'm going to have everyone mad at me when the summer pattern hits and the temperatures are 105, feeling like 115. So just remember that as we get a little bit closer to July. We are still waiting for these counties to the south and east to get dropped from the severe thunderstorm watch. We did allow our weather alert to expire, so we're back to blue, at least for the time being, but we are going to have to keep an eye on things closely as we head into tomorrow, as many are likely to be cleaning up a little bit. We had lots of hail reports with the storms that moved through. We had one complex of storms moving south from Oklahoma, and then we had another complex of storms moving east from West Texas. So hail and wind were the main issues with these severe storms, and then the farther south we got, it became a little bit of a flooding threat, and you can see why. This is just the last 12 hours. Just the last 12 hours, and anywhere you see orange, suggestions of closer to 2 inches of rainfall accumulating, and then you see into Navarro County, Limestone County, Freestone County, Henderson and Anderson County, indications of maybe 4 to 5 inches of rain. And while this is over the last 12 hours, realistically, a lot of this fell in a 2 to 3 hour time span. So it makes sense, right? We had every single one of our metro counties under a flash flood warning at one point earlier this evening, and we still have these flood warnings ongoing to the south and east. The last strong storm ongoing right now is over Palestine. It's continuing to move to the east, a little bit of an extension farther south. So as I mentioned earlier, Elkhart not seeing the worst of it, but still seeing a good bit of this storm activity. And then, of course, we continue to see that storm that was in kind of right along the Navarro, Limestone County line. It's moving into Freestone County right now, weakening a little bit. None of these storms are severe, but still very strong, a lot of lightning. And we were watching this little, very small hail core. It looks like it's pulsed down even since moving away from Wortham. So first alert futurecast into the overnight hours. Don't worry, we have you covered. We're going to be monitoring for the threat of a few more storms kind of popping up as we head past midnight into the overnight hours. However, I will say this. The atmosphere is very worked over. That was one thing I said earlier tonight, is if there's one sort of silver lining in all of this, it's that it works, all of these storms work over the atmosphere. You lose that instability. You need a little time to regain it. So we may be clear into the overnight hours, and then early tomorrow morning wouldn't be a terrible start. But what we're going to have to watch for as we head a little bit closer to midday, some scattered showers to the east, and then into the afternoon when that instability is ramping up, the high temperature is approaching. Things are really heating up here. We may get some more storms basically to the east of 35. So we're going to watch for these isolated severe storms to the east. Suggestions that maybe farther in East Texas, there could be some very strong storms tomorrow night, so we'll be watching that closely. Storm Prediction Center also keeping an eye on it. They've got this level 2 slight risk for the 35 corridor and areas to the east. Then we get the time to dry out a little bit. Tuesday, I've got rain chances in at 20%. I do think it's going to be breezy. I do think it's going to be very warm. 93 degrees forecast on Tuesday, 92 on Wednesday, and then we're up to 95 on Thursday with sunny skies. Not expecting rain. Friday, we're still in the 90s, and the weekend forecast, very low rain chances, Amelia, with highs in the low to mid 90s.